In this video, I'm going to give you a quick and honest review of Fidelity versus Vanguard versus Schwab versus Robinhood, four of the most popular investment platforms available today. Whether you're just getting started or you're a seasoned investor, choosing the right platform is key, so let's break them down. Let's start with Fidelity. Known for its robust research tools and commission-free trading, Fidelity is great for both beginners and more advanced investors. It offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, mutual funds, and retirement accounts. Fidelity also stands out for its customer service and educational resources. However, the platform can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners due to its many features and tools, which may take some time to navigate. Next is Vanguard. Vanguard is best known for its low-cost index funds and a long-term, passive investing strategy. It's a great platform for those who want to invest in low-cost funds and build wealth steadily. The downside? Vanguard's platform is a bit more basic and not as user-friendly or modern as Fidelity or Schwab, which might make it less appealing for beginners who want a sleek, easy-to-use interface. Now, let's look at Schwab. Schwab offers commission-free trading, a great range of investment options, and top-tier customer support. It's ideal for those who want an all-in-one service with access to stocks, bonds, ETFs, and banking services. Schwab's thinkorswim platform is fantastic for active traders, but it might take a little time to learn if you're new to trading. Lastly, we have Robinhood. Robinhood is super simple and beginner-friendly, making it a great option for new investors or anyone looking for a quick, easy way to trade. The platform is mobile-first, offering commission-free trading for stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. However, it lacks the advanced research tools and features that Fidelity, Vanguard, or Schwab offer, making it better for casual traders rather than long-term or serious investors. To sum it up, if you're looking for advanced research and features, go with Fidelity. If you prefer low-cost, long-term investing, Vanguard is the way to go. If you want flexibility and customer support, Schwab has you covered. And if you're just starting out and want something simple and mobile, Robinhood is a great choice. Let me know in the comments if you've tried Fidelity, Vanguard, Schwab, or Robinhood, or if you're considering switching to one of them. If this review helped you out, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more honest, easy-to-understand reviews on investing platforms.